really begins after this election. It's at the beginning, or not the end, at the beginning. So I want you to ask yourself this. I want you to answer them out loud. What will you choose? Say it out loud. Do you want a government for the elites, of the elites, and by the elites, or a government for the people, of the people, and by the people? Which is it? A system on the road to state capitalism, which is a cute little term that we're now, because that's communist China. Ooh, did I say communism again? They now call it communism state capitalism. It's where the world is headed to. State capitalism. You want state capitalism? Where only the real rich and powerful make the decisions. It's all about grass, greed, and who you know. Or a country where the little guys can have an idea and cause those global titans to run power. Because on the battlefield of ideas, David walks up to Goliath once in a while with a rock in his hand and looks to rule something once to it. Handling our differences. You want one where it's violence and chaos and intimidation? That's what they're doing in Europe now. That's what SEIU is doing. Or do you want peace, civil, honest, respectful debate? People. I'm experiencing this easily down. Do you believe in the faith of God? For tens of thousands of years, in your time. He's living, man. Think about Rome. Every time it's the same story. Do you believe in him anymore? Or is that just outdated, intolerant, nonsense that we should ignore? You know, just don't understand it now. Just have to yourself. We live in a corrupt system that encourages and entices dirtbags who only care about themselves, their power, to run for office. Or do you still trust to hold people accountable? Do you believe the American experience is safe and people are not capable of making good choices on their own? Or do you believe if people stop concentrating on their rights and pick up their responsibilities, the founders' ideas work? And people should have maximum liberty. And that Americans are still good, decent people. There is a clear choice. But it's too big of a choice to leave the fringes on both sides to decide. Don't be duped by the fringes. That's where the crazies are. That's where the dangerous people are. The global elites and the anarchists. It's appropriate that this election is happening so close to Halloween because every day we are unmasking the villainies. You are too. You can see it. It's all the same people. I started with Richard Trumka. And then we had it's Richard Trumka, AFL-CIO. You remember the illegal immigrants going door to door for votes in Seattle. I told you how to get to know you guys. Well, who organized them? We did the work on this one. Nobody else did. It's one America. If you look at, I am an American. If you look at One America, who are their sponsors? I mean, One America kind of sounds to me like One Nation. Remember the 10-2-10 rally? Had all those crazy Marxists, funded by tithes. It's weird because One America, here we go, giving it here. Tithe Foundation. Oh, the UAW, all of these creating unions too. It's also funded by the Open Society Institute. That's Jim Soros. There's a whole bunch of SEIU. What are these for?